Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here my winter Fabfitfun box. I'm just going to get right into it. It's probably going to be a short video if I can get in there. I've already opened it so I could just whip into it fast. You know, all the cards that come with Fabfitfun, packaging crap, more packaging crap. Let's see. Well, let's start with, and it is by Rosie Jane, and I believe this is a perfume, and it's called Dolce. Can I have it, please? Won't let me open it. I want to smell it. Please smell good. Oh man, I have to. I don't smell shit. Sprayer sucks. Okay. I'm waiting for the smell. I don't know how I feel about it, but ew. Kind of smells. Ew, my nose is itching right there. Smells. Oh no. See, it's really hard to actually like perfume scents, knowing that one of my favorite freaking scents is a body spray by Sol de Janeiro. Hold on. Number 71. Not even the OG one. This one. Oh, this has something to do with Fabfitfun, but caramel, butter, vanilla, popcorn. That's all I'm going to say. It smells so good. And it smells fall. Alright. Back to what I'm actually supposed to be doing, and that's the Fabfitfun. I actually have that spray on. That's why I don't want to spray this on. But it's alright. I'll try it one day, and if it gives me a headache, then it's something I don't want. Next, we have here, and it is by Laneige, and it's Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Here you go. Never heard of it. I've heard of Laneige, but never heard of this product. So let's open you. Alright. We need to... Oh, are you gonna... You all remember one of my videos. I don't even know if I cut that out or not, but I went. Because I thought it was a pull top, and it was struggling and struggling and struggling. When I did it, the oil went everywhere. But guess what? It is a twist top with a little pump right there. A twist top. Love it. It's nice for travel. It really is. Keep it all up in there. I like that. So, it is a serum. I like that. It's a good thing in there. Next, we have here, and it is the Macy Blackwell collection. It's a set of 3 cheese knives. And I do have a charcuterie board. And I thought these would be so stinking cute to add to my, yeah, this way, my little collection to put with it. I think it's so cute. And yes, do I do a charcuterie board for New Year's? I do. Do I go overboard? Yes. There's only 2 of us. And then I make buffalo chicken dip. Am I doing that this year? Or did I do that this year? No, I didn't. So, see? They're cute to add. Wash them up. Next, something I really could have cared less about. I had just so happened seen someone's other video. But are these stupid bags? Literally. Like, I'm really probably never going to use them. A wash bag. And a wear bag. These would be cute to put shoes in. To put into a bag. Like you're traveling. To put your shoes in, pull the drawstring. I would use them probably for that, but not to put dirty clothes or anything in there, because what I do is I use packing cubes, and as I wear the clothes, one of my packing cubes actually becomes the dirty laundry bag, while the clean ones all go into the other bags. So that way I know that one bag, that's everything that has to be washed. so I don't really need an extra bag, but these would be nice to put like your shoes and stuff in so you don't get any of your clothes dirty. So I would use them for that. Oh, we got 2 more things in here. We have Aceology Probiotic Restoring Biodegradable Mask. It's this here. I don't know what it looks like inside. Oh, they're like sheet masks. So it comes with 1, 2, 4. I think there's 4 in here. Yeah, 4. There's 4. Got 1. I swear I feel like there's 5, but there's not. There is definitely 4. 4 masks. So that's nice. I need to start doing these. Maybe I'll take these with me to my mom's so I can just throw a mask on after a shower. Nurses calms and protects. Like, just to wear one. I have masks. I have a whole container full of freaking face masks and I don't use them. I don't do a spotlight for myself. I really don't. Really, what I should be doing is wearing these stupid masks while I'm doing my nails every 2 weeks when I do my dip nails. So these are my New Year's nails. Obviously New Year's Eve, New Year's has already passed, but I don't know if you can see like the little glitters in them. And this dip is on the red carpet. There's a cute little story with that. So when I first met my husband at the time, I was at his sister's because I'm friends with his sister, and we were playing beer pong. I was wearing these nails, but I had acrylic on at the time, and we were playing beer pong. And, you know, the flirty, like, hand grab, you know, each other, and he noticed the nails, and he liked them. Well, it has become a thing that every New Year's, it's New Year's Eve, I wear this color because it is a memory. So when I wear these nails, he actually, if you wear them, I came downstairs alright, so this video obviously is going up after New Year's, but when I came down, when I did them, was the day, the 29th? I lost track. I think it was the 29th of December, and I had just did them, and I showed him, and he knew exactly what they were. He knew what color and everything, so he knew from the day. So I just think it's cute. I do it. I don't know. It'll be 9 years. New Year's was 9 years that we met. Alright, last off that topic. I'll go into more of a story time probably as how everything, us meeting and then leading up to our wedding. I might. I don't know yet. Last but not least, we have here by Beauty Bakery, and it's the Chosen Bun eyeshadow palette. Sure, it's going to be lovely, like brown neutral colors. I'm trying not to mess up the packaging, plus not mess up my nails. Alright, let's see. Pretty little packaging. I love their packaging. Oh. Yep. Brown neutral palette. I love it. I would have liked it to smell like toast or something. But it's a pretty little eyeshadow palette. I like it. Good. These are like good to travel with. You have everything. You can keep it light and neutral for daytime. You can then darken it up by like adding that dark color right there. The lighter colors during the daytime. And there's a good amount of mattes versus shimmers. So I actually do like the box for Fabfitfun for this winter 2023 season. And I hope you guys let me know what you guys got in your Fabfitfun. If you guys do get it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, whatever you want. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.